Exclusive, before the world premiere this evening of Sony Crackle original series Start Up at the Tribeca TV Festival, the streaming service has released the trailer for the show's third season. Mira Sorvino appears in the 10-episode season in a guest star role as NSA Agent Rebecca Stroud, who is investigating the show's centerpiece outfit ArakNet. Stroud, as the trailer shows, is prepared to go to any lengths to try to bring down ArakNet, the creation of a group of tech entrepreneurs.
The show will begin streaming on Crackle on November 1st, after a preview period on Amazon devices starting October 22nd. Also aboard for Season 3 are Zachary Knighton, Tyler Labine, and Jason Kravitz. The show's returning cast includes Adam Brody, Ron Perlman, Edgy Gathegi, Otmara Marrero, and Addison Timlin. Sorvino also appears in Audience Network's new series Condor.
Over the past year, she has emerged as a potent figure in the #MeToo movement after coming forward with her account of misconduct by Harvey Weinstein. Sorvino, who won an Oscar for her role in Allen's film Mighty Aphrodite, also apologized to Dylan Farrow in an open letter published by Huffington Post, explaining she wasn't aware of allegations of Allen's alleged abusive conduct at the time the film was shot. Startup is produced by Critical Content and Hollywood Gang Productions.
Gianni Nunari, Shannon Golding, Tom Foreman, Andrew Marcus, Ray Rycord, and Ann Clements all serve as executive producers. Creator and writer Ben Katai also serves as executive producer and director. Brody, Perlman and Gathegi are producers in addition to starring. The series, which is seen in more than 21 global territories, filmed in Puerto Rico. Sorvino is repped by APA and Management 360. Katai is with APA and writ large.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.